Welcome back to the Anoki channel. Today, we're diving into an essential cybersecurity tip that every internet user should know. We'll be discussing how to find out if your account details have been leaked online and what you can do to protect yourself. Now, how can you identify any data leak over the internet? One powerful tool to check if your data has been compromised is the website named Have I Been Pwned? The complete walkthrough on usage of this website is explained in this video. First, browse the website. You may use Google search engine to find the Have I Been Pwned website. Enter your email address, which you use for your online activities, into the search bar. Click on the button Pwned and then wait for the results. The website checks for data breaches all over the world and confirms if your email address is found in any of the breach. If the site finds any breaches involving your email, you'll see details about where and when the breach occurred. There are various other alternatives to this website. Nowadays, Google, major antivirus companies, and even Firefox provides you with such data breach monitoring services. Make sure you use them regularly to check your online safety. Once you've checked for breaches, it's time to secure your accounts. Here are some steps you should take. Change your passwords. Update passwords for affected accounts and use strong, unique passwords for each one. Delete unwanted accounts. Remove any accounts you no longer use to minimize your risk. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your financial and online accounts for any suspicious activity. Update security questions. Change any security questions to something less easily guessable. Beware of phishing attempts. Be cautious of emails or messages asking for personal information. The leaked details can be used by the attackers to trap you. Review your privacy settings. Adjust your privacy settings on social media and other accounts to limit the amount of information you share. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect yourself from potential threats. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Also, share this video to your loved ones to enhance their online safety. As a goodwill measure and to give back to the community, we are ready to extend help in cybersecurity-related doubts and queries. Feel free to email or comment us with your queries for doubts, and see you next time on the Anoki channel.